Affiliate marketing for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing and what it actually is. So, basically, let's start off with what is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you're going to take a product, okay? You're going to take a product off of some store, or you're going to take a product off of some provider or vendor. So let's say I'm going to give you Amazon as a great reference on this. So I'm going to go to Amazon.com. On Amazon.com, let's say I'm going to go to these accessories. Now over here you have these products. So let's say I choose this product, okay? These Razer headsets. So this product over here, let's say I'm affiliating this. So what's going to happen? When we're affiliating this, they will give me a personal private link, okay? And that link will basically have a private product key. Now, that product key is, if I send this link to people, that product key will have my name in it. So anyone who buys this product through that link will tell the providers that, okay, they went through my link. And what that will do is I will get a small, you could say, cut out of this money. So from the $40, I might get $4 or I might get $3. So, I'm just, telling people to buy this stuff and they're going to buy it and I'm going to get money for it. So that's affiliate marketing. So one of the best platforms to do this is, Amazon. Then there's, CJ affiliate, there's Drop affiliate, and there's all these other affiliate marketing platforms. You can also become affiliate for other brands like Nike and all. But in my opinion, the best is Amazon. So start your affiliation and get money. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.